choices, they running out of options, cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop.
Hey, get it, show who I saw that move. Okay. Hey, the DJ did that. Auntie nurse, Sissy nurse, somebody please. Are you okay? Are you good? You sure? What's happening here? Okay, he found another chair. We have too many chairs. We didn't take 2 chairs out. Oh, because we lost the girl. She left. Okay, don't leave the game again. Take one more chair out. Take a chair out. Yeah. There. Okay. Is everybody's bum in the chair? Except for you, since I know that. Wait, there's 2 booties in this chair. That is an issue. Who? One of these people are out. Who? I don't know. It looks like whose bum is on the chair more? He has a what? He said he has a big bum. He said his bum is touching the chair more. Oh, God. I don't know. You know what, DJ, we're going to start all over again. Not from the beginning, but just whether you are still in. Stand up.
Stand up.
Hey, guys, again, shoes on your feet. Mommy and daddies, make sure all your kids have shoes on their feet. Alright, once we finish putting this shoe on, we're going to start. We lost another one again.
He said he wanted to get ice cream.
We can go and get ice cream. You don't want to remove one chair. Yep. Ooh, guys, we have to play our game quick. Alright, DJ, give me tunes. Ooh, they don't know about this. Hey,
I got this new damn so
these kids don't know about this one. This is back from my day. Yeah. Hey.
Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crack it? Why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy? That Superman? That why me you? Crack that soldier. Now 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 what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crack it? Why me roll? Why me crack that soldier boy? That Superman? That why me you? Crack that soldier. Now why me you? Crack that soldier. Now why me you? Crack that soldier. Crack that soldier. Now what? Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me lean that? Why me roll? Superman? That yeah. Why me crack that RoboCop? Super friend, now why me jump?
Jocking out and hit him, man. DJ. Out. There are 2 booties on this chair. I think he's sitting on the chair more than you, my dear. You're out. Hey, remove one chair. Let's go. Come on, be quick. Somebody move. You're my chair girl. You remove your chair. Alright, anybody else? Go play. Go get out. Go do something. Alright, stand up, please. Everybody stand up, please. You guys have Birdie Explorer. Stand up, please. Alright, let's go. DJ.
Where's my backpack?
These are like late 2000s.
Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 풍경 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자
Alright, DJ, cut me. I'm pretty sure you could have made that. You could have cut through right there. It's okay. Well done. Alright, my chair girl. Remove the chair. Thank you. Let's bring the chairs closer. The closer I get to you.
Wait, please stand up.
Babes, you're not out. Just stand up for a second. The more you make me sing. Alright, everybody in formation. Put it up a little bit. Excellent. Everybody in formation, aka that means stand up, please. And DJ, let's go. Hey. DJ Yeet. This girl said, what'd you say? Whoop. All right, chair girl. Chair. Thank you, my dear. All right, guys, move the chair closer. Can nobody tell me nothing? Alright, DJ.
I just wanna rollie with a
There you go.
already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you
You can dance. Yeah, yeah, hey. Oh, oh. Hey.
I already got some designer to hold on my
Come
pants.
on.
I just want some ice on
Let
my
me get your feel up. Get your hat. Yeah, yeah.
looking at it, put you in
Hey. Yeah. I just want to say I am not responsible for anybody's child. I just suggested the game. So I see two booties in this. Oh, ow! Did we not remove a chair? Oh, okay. Remove another one, my chair. Oh, two. Okay, you're right. Sholu, you're a genius. Remove your chair for me too. Okay, we gotta play the game. They got a puppet show to get to. The kids are on a time crunch. All right, put the chairs closer.
You're gonna win.
Leave that chair. So loosen that chair up. That chair is out, isn't it? No. You guys will move too. Yeah. Do that one. Watch your fingers. Hey, DJ. Shut up.
You already know it.
I don't know about this song. Hey, solid talk. Hey, get it.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me whip. Now watch me whip. Watch me
Get it. Y'all are killing it. Come on.
Watch me whip. Watch me whip.
Hey, there you go.
Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Watch me. Watch me. Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Ooh,
It's a little bit of auntie, come and help me. What are we thinking over here? This area. Any auntie? Yes, thank you. Any auntie? What are we feeling? What are we thinking right now? Yeah, take proof. What are we thinking? Hey. This is Tantal. It's the lady. Oh. The lady got it. Girl power. Girl power. Can I get a song about girls? Come on. Give me a song about girls. DJ, everybody stand up. Stand up. Take a chair. Take a chair. Just one. Yeah, keep that one. Thank you, O'Shea. All right, DJ.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance. I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Looking at it, put you in a trance. All I ever wanted was a rollie.
Wait, James, it's a blind guy. I thought you were already out. Oh, no, it's a girl. It's a girl. Easy. It's a girl. Sorry, babe. I'm sorry, babe. You ready, my helper? Yeah, you help me measure. All right, chair. Let's go. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. All right, DJ, let's go there.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me.
Yep.
Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.
Hit me.
They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan.
That's great.
God's plan.
Whoa.
I hope that sometimes I won't.
Yeah. Whoa.
I feel good sometimes I don't.
Yeah. Whoa.
I finesse down.
Hey, DJ, cut. Hey. Ooh. DJ, don't cut. Okay, cut. What? Oh, okay.
Get up,
Guys, everybody stand up. Stand up.
in the line.
You can put it back to back. Yeah. Smart girl. I like this girl. She's smart.
You already have a winner. The winner is right here.
No, she can do it like. She can do it straight up. Yeah, three back. So back. Yeah. The kids know the game. I trust the kids. Guys, mommy and aunties were outdated. Alright, DJ, let's go.
Die for them to miss me.
Yeah.
Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me.
Let's go.
I got some brothers that outlive me.
Live me.
They don't tell the story, shit is things on me.
God's plan.
Okay, move.
God's plan. Hey.
I hope that sometimes I won't.
Yeah. What?
I feel good.
Why are there so many kids? Hold on.
I finesse down.
Somebody was out. Too many kids.
I go down to T.O.P. I go hard on Southside G. I make sure that Northside G. And still, bad things.
Got it. You lasted so long. I love that.
Take one chair out.
The baby already won.
Whose baby is
She's a
that?
winner. She already won.
Whose baby is that? Who's the parent of this baby?
She's a winner already.
Mommy and daddy, they're saying that your baby should not be carried to play the game. Is that fair? Is that fair? Are we going to tolerate that? No. Oh my God. Okay, Kiki, Oluwa Kiki Liar, don't touch that baby anymore. DJ, let's go.
Evelyn, don't you be a mean.
Clap.
Why you tryna keep me teeny? It's a dream. Wasted on the genie. I got fans finally, and she wanted me to see me. I thought you want this for my life. Said you wanted to see me thrive. You lied, just say to me what you want from me. Just say to me what you want from me.
Dang! And look at that, your daughter still works. So what are you guys saying? Even without the help, she came in there and conquered. Mommy, clap for your daughter. Clap for your daughter. Because she did that. You guys are like, she got us carry that baby, Look at that baby. Boom. Hey, I removed my chair. My chair girl, you did great. Well done. But the baby beat you. Alright. Remove one chair. I put two back to back. Shalu, scooch this chair over that way. Baby girl with the blue. Boom. Get ready. Okay, we should only have 5 people in. DJ, give me 2.
I just wanna rollie.
DJ, you take this 2 already.
I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance? I just wanna rollie with a diamond. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance?
DJ, cut it. Look at the baby again. Let's go. This baby's gonna win this game. Somebody owes this baby $20. The auntie that said she cannot be carrying that baby. Owe this baby $20 if she wins. I just want you to know that. It's okay. Auntie, we take cash out, we take Zelle, we take Venmo, we take PayPal, we do tap. We do tap. We take it all. Don't worry. Alright, remove one chair. Okay, turn this one like this.
Elizabeth, you must win.
I can try it. No.
What's the touching Elizabeth to do?
Oh shit, Bares. Okay. It should only be 4 people in. Okay, DJ, let's go there. Whoa, DJ has taken me back. Yeah. Wake up! Mommy and Daddy, wake up! This song is for you. Wake up! Wake up! Okay. DJ, they said one more time. Repeat that round. Repeat that round. Repeat that round. We cannot embarrass the birthday boy on his birthday. Cholu, remove your hand from that chair, my dear. Oh, get it. That's it. Oh, she's what? I'm unavailable. She's available. I'm unavailable. She's available. I'm unavailable. She's available. I'm unavailable. They know they see me so in my eyes and in everybody else's eyes here, you are the winner. You are the winner. You did good. After all those aunties called you out, you said, I'll show them. And you showed them. Good job. All right, remove one chair and let's go there. Mommy is calling you. She wants to give you a high five. Mommy, give her a high five. Oh yeah, mommy, give her $20. Put it inside our bank account. Okay, DJ, give me something.
Love is not enough, baby. Come to me, hello. Love me or you make me, know me. Romance with me, hello.
NSC what?
Baby, come along, titi. Giuseppe Zanotti, in a Maserati. Baby, easy. Fine boy like you, easy. You won't kiss somebody, but you sweet melody.
That one was so simple. I saw it with my own eyes. As in oh my goodness, guys, what's up? The final two. Guys, shake hands. Good game. This is gonna be a good game. All right, guys. Oh, tie your shoelace, baby girl. Mommy said tie your shoelace. She said you must win. Tie that shoelace. All right.
But at the same time, consider celebrant. Celebrant, today na your day.
At the end of the day, you're married, but if you lose, it's okay. Because you are a winner. Say amen. Amen. Say amen. Amen. Amen.
Angela, say amen. Say amen. Both of you, amen.
Let's go. Let's do this. Alright.
Mama, you're pro, Angela.
No touching the chair. No touching the chair. DJ. What? Calling you tonight. Oh, no running. Okay. Cholu, let's keep it there. Bye,
tí ì ṣe oúnjẹ yín. Mo fẹ́ ṣe fídíò àwọn oúnjẹ yín.
Oh my goodness. You don't know when he's gonna stop. Keep moving, don't stop. Don't stop. I don't know. I think she used that to push him out of the way. Okay, guys, one more round. So let's put this chair now. Let her play. Ooh. Guys, shake hands. Sportsmanship, shake hands. Don't push it, yes sir.
Don't push it.
Guys, Grandma said don't push. Don't push it. Don't push.
I know
Everybody that played this game is a winner, okay? Everybody celebrant, well done, congratulations. Okay, who is paying the celebrants? He takes Cash App, PayPal, Zelle. Alright, kids. I hear that there is a puppet show for you guys. Oh my goodness, how cool is that? So where does the puppet show lady want the kids to go? Where is the puppet show lady? Right there. Alright, everybody come and sit in front of this lovely stage. Red curtain. You guys have your own little Broadway here. Say New York, girl. Roll the curtains. Everybody sit down. Bouncy house, babes. Out the bouncy house. Out. Now, where's the bouncy house guy? The bouncy house guy is not doing his job. He's not doing his job. Kids, come on, sit down here. It's puppet show time. DJ, give me one Fuji song for our mommy and daddies. Give me one Fuji song, one Fuji vibe song. Give me one Fuji song. Hey! But all right, now, mommy pay for the puppet show.
Báyìí bá ti ń yé ìṣọ̀lá ká máa bá wọn yí. Ọ̀pọ̀ àgbà láti sún fáìnàlì. Ó ti kúrò ní ìtàbíyá. Ìṣọ̀lá tó ń dé mọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yó. Àìlámi Joshua ó ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ bá mi dà lóbólẹ̀. Àlùjọ ní kí á mọ́ sá. Báyìí bá ti ń yé ìṣọ̀lá ká máa bá wọn yí. Ọ̀pọ̀ àgbà láti sún fáìnàlì. Ó ti kúrò ní ìtàbíyá. Ìṣọ̀lá tó ń dé mọ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ yó. Àìlámi Joshua ó ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ bá mi dà lóbólẹ̀ àlùjọ ní kí á mọ́ sá. Ojú wa ni ó ṣe balùwẹ̀ tó lóhùn mọ́tòdò ńlá o. Ìṣọ̀lá tó dé mọ́ ṣe lè yò. Ṣáma wò wọ́n níran ẹ̀yìn lọ́mọ adéyẹ tọ̀yà ẹ̀ kò séwu fún wa rárá. Ẹnu wọn ni ó kọ́
DJ, pause the tunes.
ẹ̀yẹ òrófó.
Pause the tunes. Puppet show. Do we have to do this show later? Let me not get too close. Kids, everybody, out of the bouncy house. Bouncy house is closed. For now, not for too long. What's the time? Somebody give me time. What's the time? 6:57. Okay.
7:58 actually.
Okay. So, I see food is being served, and I think that the kids might be hungry, but the kids need to go with their parents to the serving table. Does that make sense, everybody? Say yeah. Thank you. All right, kids. Wow, you're eating sweets before food? Okay. Auntie, all of the kids are eating cotton candy first. Can the adults eat now? So can the kids eat now? Or can the adults eat right now? Who's eating? The kids want to play and watch their show. Let the adults eat. That's what I'm saying. Oh no, I don't know. It's too much wahala. Every time Nigerian people are involved, it's wahala. The kids don't want to eat yet. They want to eat cotton candy. They want to do show. They want to play. Let the adults eat. And our elders are still here, sitting down, not eating yet. Yeah. Yeah, DJ, thank you. On the low, not too loud. DJ, on the low. O'Shea. I am not really understanding. Where is ahead? So what's the Okay. Mommy and daddies, please come and join us and eat. Please. Wow. Okay. See, exactly. Come here, Grandpa, please. Come on. Good. Excellent. Chop on Grandpa's food, please. And this table has already started eating as well. Good. Okay. All right.
Musiliu Babatunde, President Fáwọn Alápàlà, Karina Ìjàpátá pátá.
This table, are you guys hungry? You guys are sitting at the kids' table, but that's okay. No worries. We have our drinks. No, you can stay here.
Show my family, show my laptop, show my
where's the table? Okay, so you guys grab food and then go and sit down.
If I travel today, give my pile of baba. I'm a man, I'm a brother man. Only any problem, baby, show up. Show me the making call.
Thank you.
Baby, show me that. Baby, such a give you feedback. Show the capital business. Show you character dickiness. Can you wake up around 4 days? Stress for me. Go back and let you
To the music, not so you and then get stressed. Every day you wake up as then say good morning, you don't touch stress. That now for we back where wake up. Sleep and wake now by God in power. How the government they mess up, now so mentally we they messed up. Hey, the woman then they act up, then say all the man then they effort. Hey, man then they act up, then say the money business now not so calo. If you don't get that nice, you are feeling what I'm feeling. The rhythm is top and nice, are you feeling what I'm feeling? See, I'm looking nice, you're feeling me, I'm feeling you. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Me no want no stress. 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 Thank God I'm alive, yeah. See me. Everybody control your stress. Hey, package jam. Hey, social media a mess, but we they nevertheless. Can't they no more with you like Rabu? You go meet me with me, yo. Can't no more with you Rikishi. You go meet me with me, yo. If you say now you ain't confused, and they are with me, yo. But it's not so you hungry and get stressed. Now my side must be on. From when man born canary wall, same old stress. See, if you don't get that nice, you are feeling what I'm feeling. The rhythm is top and nice, are you feeling what I'm feeling? See, I'm looking nice, you're feeling me, I'm feeling you. Na 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 na. Na na na. Na na na. Me no want no stress. 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 Hey. What I'm feeling. Say no stress. I didn't know me corner, they do me. I didn't know me corner, no stress, I no go stress, so what's the feeling? Feel like Joe every day, now me pop guitar on Shama. What's the feeling? Hey. Million, still I get some nice feeling.
Butterflies in my tummy when the money enter me, I like it. Getting rich and it's all in the plan, my mind made it to Forbes. I buy jam for my baby, mo touch you mommy, mo turale. Soft living like a superstar. All I do is winning till no more loss. See my day, job me call. I feel like what's the rush? Can I waiting this up? Me not see no evil and I fear no one. I do the sign of the cross. For you the me don't be dumb. Since I know this same of God. I'm on a new level, Papa. I put it all on God. So when you see me smile, my brother, you for just show me love. Viviendo la vida loca, nobody take my joy. Better make way when you see your garaya. Easy money, too much money.
That's why you shouldn't go there anymore.
Terry G, ìyàwó Terry G ni wọ́n.
I want it Yaraba. Hi.
Thank you.
Just want the reason why I can live her. Nothing in this world that I can give her. I'm loving you. She got it from, she got it back. Just want the reason why I can live her. Nothing in this world that I can give her.
It's dancing time, man.
Hello? Okay. All right. Are we all in the mood tonight? Hey! Yes, sir. Okay. DJ, hold it. Thank you so much, DJ. Thank you, my wonderful DJ. A round of applause for my wonderful DJ. He's doing a beautiful job. Yeah, the celebrant mother is out. The celebrant mother wants to dance now. Mommy celebrant Wabeko. And I'm sure we are mostly here because of the celebrant mother. Right? $1. $5. I don't know, like $20. They say, I'm worried, I'm a solitaire. Are we ready to celebrate the celebrant's mother? Celebrant mother, are we ready to welcome the celebrant mother? My celebrant is twerking in everybody. Oh, ay, 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 ay. Twerk, 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 twerk. Hey. Who is missing? Who is missing? Who is missing? Okay, ready, celebrant, yo.
Yeah.
Bado snap, Becca snap, many with the one leg. Record there, Omuli, Badoli, P-Prime, David Backage, Azaralu, Mofos cannot keep her. Bitch, I be going non-stop. Zazu, She, Aka, Ika, That's a job, Vitalaka, Gaza, Eja Luju Vitabacha, Runjuba, Nijuba, Bayern, Kala, Daju, Uwaika, Zazu, Kokotua, on my way to Iguazu, David Martin Bocadu, Okomata de Kolu, you come and Bocadu, Osu Goldberg, Lama Benekolu, Zazu, Kokotua, I do music for living, on my finger, Yahoo, Beno Laptop, Kokotua, Okoyo, Zazu, Bidabisa, Okoli, Beno
So the kids need to get their You guys will get goodie bags. Hold on. Hey, come on, bring your kids here to line up. Boys in one line, girls in one line. Thank you. Thank you. Kids only. You're a boy. Come here. Girls over here. Boys over there. Dara, if you're behind you, you're not in line. If you're behind the shoulder, you're not in line.
I remember.
Okay. Girls on this side, boys on this side. All the boys behind Sholu, turn. All the girls behind these girls right here. Okay, here we go. You know, I can't tell you. Where are all the kids? Are all the kids in line? The kids are here. Okay, the kids are here too. Ladies on that side. Blue is for boys, red is for girls. My baby girl, this is the line right here for girls. You just cut to the front. I don't want to get
Take Khalil with you.
Take your kids and go to your mommy.
Khalil.
Wait your turn. Come to mommy.
It's not funny.